Domino addition. Learning to add is fun, especially when you use dominoes. It's easy. Let's learn how. Dominoes have two halves. Each half may have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 spots. A domino can have 3 spots on one half and 0 spots on the other half, or 2 spots on one half and 4 spots on the other half, or even 6 spots on one half and 6 spots on the other half. Here is a complete set of dominoes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can add spots to find the total number of spots on each domino. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The number of spots on the top half of this domino and the number of spots on the bottom half. 0 plus 0, the total is 0. Can you find the domino that has a total of 0 spots? Add the number of spots on the top half of this domino to the number of spots on the bottom half. 1 plus 0. The total is 1. Point to the domino that has a total of 1 spot. Add the number of spots on the top half of each domino to the number of spots on the bottom half of each domino. 2 plus 0, the total is 2. 1 plus 1, the total is 2. Where are the dominoes that have a total of 2 spots? Add the number of spots on the top half of each domino to the number of spots on the bottom half of each domino. 3 plus 0, the total is 3. 2 plus 1, the total is 3. Find the dominoes that have a total of 3 spots. Add the number of spots on the top half of each domino to the number of spots on the bottom half of each domino. 4 plus 0, the total is 4. 3 plus 1, the total is 4. 2 plus 2, the total is 4. Which dominoes have a total of 4 spots? Add the number of spots on the top half of each domino to the number of spots on the bottom half of each domino. 5 plus 0, the total is 5. 4 plus 1, the total is 5. 3 plus 2, the total is 5. Search for the dominoes that have a total of 5 spots. Add the number of spots on the top half of each domino to the number of spots on the bottom half of each domino. 6 plus 0, the total is 6. 5 plus 1, the total is 6. 4 plus 2, the total is 6. 3 plus 3, the total is 6. Can you find the dominoes that have a total of 6 spots? Add the number of spots on the top half of each domino to the number of spots on the bottom half of each domino. 6 plus 1, the total is 7. 5 plus 2, the total is 7. 4 plus 3, the total is 7. Point to the dominoes that have a total of 7 spots. of spots on the top half of each domino to the number of spots on the bottom half of each domino. 6 plus 2, the total is 8. 5 plus 3, the total is 8. 4 plus 4, the total is 8. Where are the dominoes that have a total of 8 spots? Add the number of spots on the top half of each domino to the number of spots on the bottom half of each domino. 6 plus 3, the total is 9. 5 plus 4, the total is 9. Find the dominoes that have a total of 9 spots. Add the number of spots on the top half of each domino to the number of spots on the bottom half of each domino. 6 plus 4, the total is 10. 5 plus 5, the total is 10. Which dominoes have a total of 10 spots? In this unit, you will learn about addition and subtraction strategies. And just like in the story that we read, domino addition, one way to solve addition or subtraction problems is by drawing it out. So we're going to use that strategy today to solve our story problems. So in this box, I'm going to draw out what's happening. In this math mountain, I'm going to write the partners and what the total is. And then right down here, I'm going to write the equation. I'm going to do this for 2 problems, and then I'm going to ask you to do something similar in Google Classroom where you will be solving some story problems, making sure that you are using pictures, putting in a math mountain, and writing the equation. So let's listen to this math story. 3 people come to a picnic in cars. Then 2 more people come on bicycles. A total of 5 people come to the picnic. So I'm going to draw this out. Now I'm just going to do smiley faces as my people. So it said 3 people come to the picnic in cars. So they're there. Then 2 more people come to the come on bicycles. So I'm going to make a line here because this was the first group of people. Here's the next group. A total of 5 people come to the picnic. All right. So our partners are 3 and 2. So I'm going to write that here. 3 and 2. And when you add them together, 3, 4, 5, you get a total of 5. Let's write that equation right here. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's try this with another story. Here is another math story. In this story, we do not know what the total is. We need to find it. I buy 3 pencils. You buy 4 pencils. How many pencils do we buy all together? So let's draw that out. It says I buy 3 pencils. So that's what I bought. That's the first partner. Then it says you buy 4 pencils. So let me now draw those 4 pencils. feel like my pencils got shorter for this guy. Okay. Now let's do the math mountain. Our first partner was 3 because we bought 3 pencils. You bought 4 pencils, so that's our next partner. That's why I really like having this line. It reminds me of where the partners are, so I don't get it confused. And then now we're going to add 3 and 4 together to find out how many pencils we bought all together. So I'm going to put 3 in my head and count on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Together, we bought 7 pencils. Let me write that equation right here. 3 plus 4 equals 7. In Google Classroom, you will see this as your assignment. There's 2 story problems. The first one's right here, and the second one, you just click this button here and it'll take you to that second spot. Don't want this anymore. Here we go. Okay, so the first story problem says 3 people come to a picnic in cars. Then 2 more people come on bicycles. A total of 5 people come to the picnic. So what you're going to do is you're going to move the amount of cars over here. Okay, so let's say we have it there. Just like I made that line, you're going to bring that popsicle stick over so that you can show that break there of one partner and the other. Then you would move your bike. Over here, you're going to put your partner. So obviously this is incorrect, but I just want to show you what that looks like. So you're going to click on this pen tab, and then you can write. So we have 2 cars, 1 bike, put 2 in my head, count on, 2, 3, total of 3. Then right here I would write 2 plus 1 equals 3. And that's all you have to do for this lesson. Now the second one is the same concept. It says, I buy 3 pencils, you buy 4 pencils. How many do we buy all together? You're going to model it, and then you're going to model it and then do the math mountain and write the equation. So once again, you would bring over your pencils, however many you need. Make sure you put a break in the middle. Go here, write the first partner, second partner, total, and then write your equation. When you're done, turn this into Google Classroom.